Hey guys, welcome back to another video on random crazy bros. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Probably because I just ran up the stairs. So today I'm in my room. I'm going to be unboxing this Pokemon figure I just got. It's pretty cool. Yeah, if you haven't seen my room, it's a tiny bit. I'm filming on my bed. And yeah, let's get into this. So yeah, it's quite hard to open. Yeah. Subscribe if you want. If you saw my last video, it's really old. It's just that my mum wanted me to upload it because it was really funny. You might not find it funny, but I find it quite funny. Yay! I opened the side of it. Cool, let's open the other side now. Oh guys, you can barely see it. I'm sorry. Please subscribe. It's taken me so long to open. By the way, if you don't know, I love Pokemon. Pokemon bedding, Pokemon shirt. I've stocked loads of Pokemon stuff in my wardrobe. Like that. Can you just see? Hey, got Pokemon windowsill. Yeah. Anyway, I should be unboxing this because it's already been 1 minute and 55 seconds now. Yeah, 1 minute and 55 seconds of me trying to unbox this. Now it's been 2 minutes and 5 seconds. OMG. I'm so sorry. I'm so slow at unboxing stuff. You saw our video on unboxing X-Shot. I forgot how slow I was. I was probably quite slow. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Channel probably better than our last channel, or probably going to be better than our last channel. I haven't got as much subscribers. Oh yes, we got it. Look, and the Mega Banette is here. If I didn't tell you it was Mega Banette, I just told you. Yeah, I'm new to one of these figures. That's cool. This is so hard. Literally, guys. Go. I found something that might be the answer to getting out my head. Oh God, that hurt. Yeah, I got out the head, guys. Oh, it's on all of them. Great. Gotta keep on hurting myself. It's already been 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Ow! Oh, this really hurts. Guys, because I'm hurting myself, you have to like. It really hurts. OMG. Yes, I got the last one out without hurting myself. So here it is. Looked a bit bigger in the box. Ow, my hands still really hurt. So I can like twist its body. I can twist its whole thing. No, you can't twist the. Can you open these wide? Oh yes, you can. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I wish you could zip up the mouth. This would be a cool backpack where you could zip open the mouth and then his whole body was the backpack. Comment Mega Banette if your favourite Pokemon's Mega Banette. He's pretty cool Pokemon, I'd say. Pretty cool. Ow, it hurt. Guys, look. All these red... OMG, there's a massive mark where Oh, that hurt. Ow. It still hurts. It's so... Oh, pointy. Ching! What? Why is it only showing his, like, head? Why isn't it showing his claw? Oh, here it is. Ching, ching, ching. Get wrecked, camera. Okay, fine. This has been 5 minutes. So yeah, it's a pretty cool figure. I wish you could unzip the mouth and zip it back up. Hopefully our next video will be something Pokemon. Look, this is cool. Look.